So that's the web view on the workflow. The same view later on will be available inside UniversalPlantViewer. And here I have one workflow, and the intention of such a workflow is to group all UniversalPlantViewer documents like sketches, reports, screenshots, markups in one package or in one workflow. So you can at each time track it, give it a date, give it your own properties, so that property section is fully customizable from your side. You will be able to set a name of a responsible person, the owner of that workflow. That you can define stakeholders, so other people's. And if you go to that file section, for example, this handles a collision, I can just go in, download it, and in the next version of UPV, you will also be able to directly open it inside UPV. And then if you go into the model and you open up the downloaded file, you see here's the sketch that shows how the collision should be avoided. So this is the 3D model with the collision in it. And that's the sketch from my workflow where somebody told me I should route the pipe this way.